Well, we are still on number basis, so let's take a look at July 2001. This is July 2001. You can see here, and let's look at question 2. And question 2 says copy and complete the table below for addition base 8. So this is the table we want to do addition base 8. So you know in base 8, any number below 8 is kept as the same number, but once it gets to 8 and above, then you keep that is when the base 8 arithmetic comes. Is for instance 8 in base 8 is 8 divided by 8, that gives you 1 remainder 0, and that becomes 1 0 in base 8. 9 in base 8 becomes 9 divided by 8, and that is 1 remainder 1, and therefore become 1 1, and all like that. So for instance 12 in base 8 will be 12 divided by 8, and that is equal to 1 remainder 4, and therefore becomes 1 4. So that is how you do the base 8 calculation. So let's take this and then see if we can solve this. Always remember we are doing this in base 8. Okay, so this is base 8. So we will come back here and change the pencil color so we can do this now. So 3 plus 1 is equal to 4, so we're not going to change anything. 1 plus 7 is 8. We know 8 divided by 8 is equal to 1 remainder 0, and that's equal to 1 0. So 1 7 8, that is 1 0. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8, so that also becomes 1 0. 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. 10 divided by 8 is equal to 1 remainder 2, and that becomes 1 2. So we put 1 2 here. 5 plus 12 is equal to 5 plus 7 is equal to 12. 12 divided by 8 is equal to 1 remainder 4, and that gives you 1 4. So that is 1 4. It's not 14, we call it 1 4 in the number basis. And actually this is 7. Let me come back here and change this one to 7. This is 7. This is 7 here. And then 7 plus 1 is equal to 8, and that is equal to 1 0 here. So that brings us to the end of the table. So we have the table right now. So the next question here, as you can tell, is use your table to solve the following. So the first one we want to do is the I, is we want to find 3 plus x is equal to 12. Now when we look through this, that means we're looking at this number here. So this is the 3 column 3 plus x, and x can be 1 3 5 and 7. So the only place where we have 12 is 3 plus, always remember this sign here, 3 plus 7 is equal to 12, and therefore x is equal to 7, right? So that, now let's look at the I part. The I says find n such that n plus n is equal to 6. Okay, well, so n is ranging from 1 3 5 and 7, so we take 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, so that is not equal to 6. 3 plus 3, so when you have 3 plus 3, so you have the 3 here, then 3 here, obviously we have this, so 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. So that means, at least for now, we have one of our n, so n is equal to we have n is equal to 3. And then let's do 5. 5 plus 5 is equal to 12, not equal to 6. 7 plus 7 is equal to 16, not equal to. So therefore we say that n is such that n is equal to 3 is the solution of the question. Alright, so that is it for this question. I'll see you in the next video, guys.